So the final tip that I'll give you in terms of increasing conversions by using the reviews is to actually review the buyer once the sale has been finished. So they can review you and then you can review them. The benefit of how this can increase sales is because new potential buyers who come to my gig and start scrolling down looking at my reviews can see that I'm in contact with the buyers. So say here's a guy who's left me a 5-star review and I said, delighted I could help, thanks again. If a new buyer, a potential buyer comes and sees this, he can see that I'm, good communication, that I'm interacting with people, that I'm responding to people. And so what you can do is not review a person at all. You can just review them and not leave a comment, and it'll automatically put in the comments outstanding review. Sometimes I do this if I just they gave me 4.5 stars, so I didn't want to give them too much. But you can see that it's always better to add a little bit of personalization, add your own little bit of relevancy there, because it makes you feel more personable, it makes it feel less automated, and that helps with buyers. A little tip for that is if it's coming up to the weekend, I always say have a good weekend, or if it's on a Monday, I always say thanks very much, have a good week. Obviously holidays, Christmas, Easter, all that type of stuff as well. You can always just throw something in there that's relevant. It makes it feel more personable. And as we said, this is a social marketplace, so that's a small feature, but it really helps just increase conversions as well. So I'd encourage you to use that.